That's exactly how I found this carabiner on the sidewalk, and by all accounts this is garbage because this gate should close and it kinda doesn't. I hope to fix it in the next 38 seconds. So there is a spring inside the gate there. This pin here is all intact. What keeps the gate closed is that spring and this push plate, which push plate needs to be supported, and now it just slipped out of its notch that's on this carabiner material just above the gate. So if I can move this whole assembly forward, maybe it's gonna snap in place. There. Yep, it's in place now and it's fully functional. Maybe put on a drop of olive oil or something that can be washed out of your garments and washes off the hands easily. Fixed. Let's see. Yep, there. One drop of the finest olive oil. Obviously, carabiner is not for climbing. So let's see how well this is all fitting. Yeah, this gate should be closing there. I see this pin here has never been lubricated. So it's got a little bit of play there, but it's holding, it's fine. No need to mess with it. If it's not broken, it'll work.